Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I created, Smiley Faces, really cute. So the gel polish that I'm using is Spring Break 02. So I apply 2 coats of this to my nail and then I cure each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So the nail tips that I'm using here are Flexi Press tips and they are the coffin style, long coffin style Flexi Press tips. Next I go in with my Miss You Beauty matte top coat and I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Then with my designer gel in the shade black and a detail brush, my Nail Vision palette that I have here, as you can see it's a little bit messy, I just draw out my smiley faces. Then when I've drawn out my smiley faces, then I cure this in my LED lamp for about 45 seconds. And then I get a selection of chrome powders. I've got some red, blue, gold and purple. So then I use my non-white UV gel top coat and my detail brush again. And then what I do is I go over the smiley faces here with the gel top coat and then I cure it in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then with my chrome powders I just apply that to those smiley faces in different colours. Obviously we've got the purple, we've got the rose gold there, the red and the blue. And then what I do is I dust off the excess chrome powder from that nail and then I go over those smiley faces with my non-white UV gel top coat and then I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm just wiping off the excess chrome powder with my gel cleanser there, it just cleans the nail nicely. And then in my Nail Vision gel in the shade white, designer gel, I draw the faces on to my little spots. And then I cure that for 45 seconds. And then I go in with some top coat and cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And so that is the final result. So thank you so much for watching this week guys, and I will leave all links to everything I used in the description box, and don't forget about my discount code for you all to take advantage of, take 10% off your order. So thanks for watching guys, bye!